Today, we're going to tackle a simple but essential task: finding your project ID in Jira. Whether you're integrating Jira with other tools, setting up automations, or just trying to keep your workspace organized, knowing how to locate that project ID can save you a ton of headaches. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to find your project's unique ID in just a few clicks, and you won't have to dig through endless menus ever again. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening up Jira. This may sound obvious, but make sure you're actually logged into the correct Jira instance where your projects live. A lot of folks, especially if you have multiple accounts or different workspaces, accidentally open the wrong one. So just double-check you're in the right place before moving ahead. It'll save you a lot of confusion later on. Once you're in, take a look at your dashboard and select the project you want the ID for. It might be listed right on your home screen if it's a recent project, or you might need to use the project menu or sidebar to find it. Don't rush this part. If your company uses naming conventions that are similar, make sure you pick the correct project. You don't want to end up copying the wrong ID, especially if you're using this for integrations. Now, with your project open, look for the 3 dots, sometimes labeled as More Actions. You'll usually find these in the upper right corner of the project screen. Think of these 3 dots as a little treasure chest with extra settings inside. Go ahead and click on it. If you don't see them right away, try scrolling slightly or check for a drop-down menu. Jira's interface can shift slightly based on your version or permissions. From the menu that appears, select Space Settings. Sometimes it might be just Settings or Project Settings, depending on your Jira version. But you're looking for the settings area where deeper details about your project are available. This is where all the nuts and bolts of your project live, so it's the perfect spot to look for something like an ID. Next, right at the top of this settings page, you'll see the project name. Go ahead and click on the project name itself. This takes you to the main information or overview page for your project. What we're doing here is essentially finding the unique address or identifier for your project within Jira. Here's the slightly tricky part. Look up at your browser's address bar. You'll notice the URL changes when you click around inside Jira, and at the very end of this URL, you'll see a number. That number is your project ID. For example, your link might look like My Company, Atlassian.net, on Project or Settings 10234, and it's the 1234 you're after. It's almost like your project's license plate, unique for each project, and often required for scripts, integrations, or API calls. Don't worry if the number isn't super obvious at first. If you see a jumble of letters and numbers, focus on that last segment in the URL once you're in the project's settings page. And if you ever need to use this ID again, you now know exactly where to go. And that's it. You've just found your Jira project ID, which puts you in a great spot for a variety of advanced Jira tasks. If you run into any snags, feel free to rewind and follow along again. Remember, every organization's Jira setup might look a tiny bit different. Before you head out, if this guide helped you, please give the video a thumbs up. Have any questions or get stuck at a certain step? Just drop your question down in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. And for more straightforward tech tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.